This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Cantrell. Rare opportunity to own a stunning waterfront property built in 2020 and overlooks Bennett's Creek. Welcoming front porch, screened back porch and patio provide for excellent outdoor entertaining.
Open floor plan features a first floor primary suite, first floor office/4th bedroom, eat-in kitchen, and huge family room. Garage workshop has a mini split unit for climate control and upgraded electrical. Second floor has loft, 2 bedrooms, and craft room. Community amenities include a resort-style clubhouse pool, fitness center, trails, fire pit gatherings, community garden, pavilion with pier, boat slips, kayak launch, groundwork, and dog park. For more information, review the details below.